So this is a cable tester for ascertaining the continuity of a network cable. So I'm going to show you how to use this to confirm the continuity of your cable, having using crimping tool to create this. And I am going to show you how to run these tests effectively without much protocols, but we've been able to do that. And this is the crimping tool that is required for this very job. And the associated components, like there is the clip, you can see the clip and the clip cover, which I'm going to show you individually. Here is the peripheral port where I'm going to insert the clip, for us to be able to run the test, the required continuity test for this very cable, created. So having inserted the first one, I'm going to insert the second one to complete the loop. It's a complete circuit right now. I'm going to turn this on. I want to turn it on for us to observe. You can see it's browsing through the numbers from number 1 to number 8, and you can observe that number 3 is not showing. You can't. The light is not showing, meaning that there is fault somewhere in cord number 3, which is green white cord. The stripe cord. That is number 3. So we are going to do it again in order for us to make sure that we have a firm contact before you start using this very cord. So here is the manual for more knowledge. If you want to know more, you can appreciate the configuration of the cable here and how it's being placed. So I will show you a more clear colored video, for you to get the information very well. Okay, there is the video, the picture rather. Here you can observe the color coding. This is color coding, placement of the cable, in the clip. You can see the clip here. This is the clip, the arrangement of, you see that the cable is it has 4 pairs, which is 8 in number, from number 1 to number 8. The one we are having problem is number 3, that is white and green right now. So with this, we are going to do it again for correction. And with this crimping tools, you can as well use other forms of clip, and you can as well use it as a cable cutter. But that is not covered in the scope of this very video. The scope is just for us to understand how to use this meter for running of continuity tests to confirm that your network cable it's okay before making use of it. So with this cover, you can see the cover of the clip give it a very good look. The aesthetics is very important. You don't need to make it to look rough. And here is the clip. You will see the contact. Can you see the contact? Well, let me position it well in order for us to view it clearly. No. Let me twist it. Okay. You can appreciate it right now. You can see the small holes where the cable comes in from. Then we'll show you the back. This is the back. Can I see that? Yeah. So this is the cover. So we've been able to redo the connection here with a new clip and cover, So we're going to run a test again to confirm the connectivity, the continuity here. You can see it's running from number 1 to number 8 without blinking. So it's perfect right now. You can see what this tester can do. Yes. Just for you to observe it again. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.